Hi everyone. Today we're going to study trapezoidal rule. In this method, we divide the area enclosed by f of x-axis, and two vertical lines, x equals a and x equals b, into n plus 1 trapezoids, having equal width, that is h. Look at this illustration. On top is the graph of y equals f of x. Below is the x-axis. On the sides are the vertical lines x equals a and x equals b. Look at the x-axis. We have some arbitrary numbers. So we have a, then x sub 1, x sub 2, x sub 3, x sub 4, up to x sub I. Then we have x sub n minus 1. And the last is b. In here, the a is considered to be x sub 0 and b is x sub n. This is now the formula of trapezoidal rule. The definite integral from a to b of the function f of x dx equals h over 2 times the quantity y sub 0 plus y sub n, which means the y values corresponding to the first value and the last value, plus the constant 2 times the sum of the y values of the corresponding x values. In this formula, the h or the equal width is equal to b minus a over n, while the n is the number of equal parts or the number of trapezoids between a and b. Look at this example. Approximate the integral, the definite integral from 0 to 1 of the function x squared plus 2 dx using trapezoidal method with n equals 8. The step 1 is to list the given values. First, we collect the y is equal to the function x squared plus 2. Then, the lower and upper limits respectively. A equals 0 and b equals 1. And the n is given as 8. Step 2, let us calculate the width h. Our formula, b minus a over n. So we substitute like 1 minus 0 all over 8. Simplifying this, we will get the decimal 0.125. Step 3, let us complete the table of values. So we have here two rows for x and y respectively. In here, we're going to write n plus 1 columns. So we have n as 8, so we will write here 9 boxes or columns. In the first box for the x, we will write the value 0, that is the a, and the last box is the number 1, that is the b. In between, we're going to fill the values. In doing so, we're going to take this value 0 added to the value h, and we will get the value here. This value plus the h, that is equal to 0.250. This value plus the h will get 0.375. This value plus the h, it becomes 0.5. This value plus h becomes 0.625 and so on. Now let us get the values for the y. We're going to use this formula. So for the first box, we're going to write this as y sub 0 equals substituting the value of x. This is 0 square plus 2, and this is equal to 2. Let us write this on the blank. Let us get the value of y on the last box here. So that will be y sub 8, and this is equal to the value of x is 1, so we have 1 square plus 2. This is equal to 3, and we copy it in here. That is the y sub 8. Now, we're going to fill the remaining values of y using this pattern. So it becomes like this. Now, step 4, we're going to use the formula. Then let us substitute the corresponding values. So our h is that 0.125 over 2 times the quantity, this y sub 0 plus y sub n, in this case y sub 8. So we write here 2 plus 3 plus the constant 2, we copy it here, multiplied by the sum of the remaining values of y. Using our calculator, we can simplify this value into 2.3366. This is now the final answer. I hope you learned something from this video. See you again next time.